This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to teach you on how to make double net design. You need your net. I have a yard of net. You need your Creolin to design it, and I have my binding wire. The first size is 45, while the second one is 35. I have my feather and my bias to round it. Then I have my sellotape. The first thing you are going to do is that you first take the wire, you join the mouth here. Use your sellotape to sellotape the wire. Okay. You take your net, you spread your net. The first wire, place it on the net, then fold it like this. Please, you can wrap your wire with bias or cloth, or when you finish you can use your bias to round it. Then take your needle and thread. Then cut the leftover. You can see it, I've cut the leftover. After this one, do the second one, the smaller one. Sellotape it like the first one. Sellotape the two sides. Your net again. Fold it like the first one. Take your needle and thread. And tack it. Cut the leftover on the net. Want to give it a design, you can see it. Then what we will do, this place will be loose small. It will be loose. This place will be loose. You can see the design. Then if you want to stretch it out, you can stretch it out again. If you don't want that design, you can stretch it out. You can stretch it out again with your hand. I see it. Then take this. I'm going to put shape on this. Anytime you create shape on net and wire, the net will be loose small. You have to tack it back. Tack it back like this, so that the net can be firm. The next thing is to join. You can place this on this. You can place it on each other. You see it? Then you tack it together. We are going to use a yard Creolin to design it. You can remove this, the tiny wire at the edge of the Creolin, by just joining it like this. Then I'm going to use it to design. You fold the mouth like this, you tack it, I'm going to cut my Creolin into two. This size is half, that is 18. And do your hemming from beginning to the end like this. Give you something like this, then you tack it. Then the remaining half, you can use it to create just a simple bow. And take your net, you add your design here, you tack this on it. You can put this, your bow. It's a simple design. Then you take your feather, put it here. You can use your rose to block the center, or take the Creolin. You can use Creolin to block it. Tack it like this. Then fold it into two. Place it at the middle of it like this and tack it. Place it at the middle and tack it. And to block this space, very simple, you can get string. can see the middle, I block it. The next thing now is to put our bias around put your bias and take your bias around and this side. Then turn to the back. You have to put your Alice band here. If you don't know how to put Alice band, please check my playlist on how to fix Alice band on Fascinator. Thank you.